Welcome, Exercise Science team. This short 5-minute video will show you how to enter your SLO data this summer. Be sure to have the following ready. The course section number, the number of SLOs being assessed in the course, which should be all of them. The SLO statements, those must be on your syllabus and can always be found on the course outline of record. The number of students that were assessed and how many met the criteria for success for each SLO. Finally, the method of assessment in an uploadable document format. So for some people, this will be a copy of the exam, the description of a project, and whatever your student-facing assignment criteria. So once we've got all of that together, open the form. So only one course and section number will be able to be assessed at a time. So you're going to need to repeat the entry form if you have more than one section number within a course. I'll be doing ES001, Adaptive PE, and I teach 2 sections of that course, and so I'll have to assess both of those. All right, so before starting the form, have all those documents ready, and we're going to fill out your name, email address, and the discipline of exercise science. The semester being assessed. And the modality for this particular one was online. My other one will be face-to-face where I will fill out a different form. So that's ES001 and the section number is 9417. So I can go ahead and hit next. So how many SLOs are being assessed? Well, there's only 2. Some of you will have up to 5 and you'll need to assess all of those. All right, so there's 2, and of course we're going to do 2. So here it's going to ask for the SLO statement. Number of students assessed for that first SLO. 16 students took the assessment and 14 passed. Here number of students assessed were 16. And the number of students successful for 14. Method of assessment. For me, this one's easy. This one's a quiz. Description of the method of assessment. A muscle anatomy quiz to identify muscles of the body. Very simple. Okay. The second SLO statement. Number of students assessed. Again, as you can see, every student here passed with 70 or above. My lowest was 77, but for these, everybody passed, so we go back to our form, and 16. Yay! Moving on, method of assessment for my second SLO, I'm going to say is laboratory exercise. The description of that: structured workout videos performed independently and submitted by students. My criteria for success is students will be able to show their physical abilities in 70% or more of exercise videos. And then we're going to move on to the reflection. This is a way for us to really look at how effective we are being at teaching and where we might need some help. Okay, so for me, based on the data, things are looking really well, but if students are struggling on my muscle anatomy stuff, maybe I need more assignments to help with that. Okay, so now we get to the uploading. So please label up to 6 documents clearly before submission using the course number, section number. So mine would be ES001-9417-SLO1- muscle anatomy quiz-FA24. Really important that we do this because they can't be recorded well if we don't upload them correctly. Be sure that we do not include any student info on there, so please protect their privacy. Let's start doing that. So here you can just drag and drop or browse files. I'm just going to drag and drop for each one. Okay, once you're done, we hit the I have loaded the documents and then submit. Okay, and if you'd like to add an additional assessment, you hit repeat form, and there we go. We can start over with the next one. And that's it, and that's all. So thank you.